Let's take a minute to talk about cleaning and preventive maintenance of your TheraTouch DX2. Again, we constantly asked about what should I use on the drum and the device to keep it clean from use to use. Real simply, easy answer is any of your antimicrobial wipes will work just dandy. So you get those out. Just take that moistened wipe. Again, I do want to strongly recommend that you don't use a spray hard surface disinfect on neither the drum or the face of the unit. We are really afraid of having any type of that liquid leach into the drum or behind the TheraTouch touchscreen. It's real simple to maintain. Wipe down the head of the unit. You're then able to wipe down the face of the unit and the screen. Then just take a soft, dry towel and wipe everything down. The other alternative that some clinics will use, they'll use a surgical hair bonnet, and it has an elasticized edge on it that you can then put that over the drum to put that between the soft terry towel that you apply to the patient and put that between the drum and the patient and the towel. One last thing, again, most important thing, is that the unit does require an annual electrical safety check, and that should be done by a certified biomedical engineer.